Okay, now that we've had our Sunbeam Barista Max for a couple of months now, we'll go through the cleaning process. And stay tuned after this one, as I'll then show you how to descale the machine. So first up, make sure you've got the reservoir full of water. Then we'll get our 2-cup filter basket, our group head, our cleaning tablets, and our little cleaning disc that comes with the Sunbeam Barista Max. So place our filter basket in that, cleaning disc in, cleaning tablet, place that in the group head, and now we will press the on-off and manual shot at the same time. And now starts our cleaning cycle. So it's going to take roughly 7 minutes. So when that finishes, we'll go through the process of descaling. Okay, that's complete. So now we'll just check to make sure the tablet's dissolved. Gets a bit messy here, which it has. So we'll take that out. A little bit warm, but not too bad to touch. We'll put the filter basket back in, and just to give it a nice fresh clean shot of water, we'll just press the 1 cup button. That will just give it a good rinse out. Okay, so now we'll move on to the descaling cleaning. Okay, for the descaling process, we're going to use some white vinegar. You can use some specialised stuff, so there's some Sunbeam tablets and descaling solution. But if you've got some of this in your pantry, by far the easiest and most cost-effective method. So to start this, we'll remove the reservoir, tip the water out, we'll add 1/2 tablespoons of white vinegar, fill back up with water, then we'll start the process. Okay, so then once your reservoir is full, make sure it's full right up to the maximum level with the 1/2 tablespoons of the white vinegar. You need at least 2 1-litre containers. So one goes under the group head and the other will go under the steam, as that will clean the steam wand out as well. So from then, make sure it's all plugged in and turned on as it is, and we will press 2 buttons here, so it will be the on-off, then plus the double shot. So now we've got to turn this to the steam position, and as you can see, our descaling has commenced. That should take some time to go through that, so we'll return when that's complete. Okay, so now that's complete, and the light's flashing and it went beep at me. Now I actually went through this process twice to just give it a good clean. The way I did that, when it went through the first cycle, it beeped and the light flashed, so I turned that back to the center position, and then I went back to steam and it just did that process again. So now that's completed, we'll empty our reservoir, give it a good rinse out, fill it back up again, and we'll go through the purge cycle. Now what I just found, and a mistake that can easily be made, is if you wait too long before you do the purge, the machine just goes back into a normal state, so you've got to reactivate the cleaning process. So that's the on-off plus the double. And then we have to go to the steam again. So I'll let that go through its process. That's just clean water in there now. So once that finishes, before the 5 minutes is up, we have to quickly go back to steam again. Okay, so now that's finished. We turn the dial to the center, The lights will stay on, and of course before 5 minutes is up, then go to steam. Now it's purging. So it's going to rinse all the nice clean water through it. Okay, we got it. The light's flashing, which it should do. So that means we return that back to the center position. And that should be it. Back to its normal state. So yeah, you can see how much water it goes through. So make sure you've got that reservoir nice and full. And that should give you years and years of nice clean coffee. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you later. Bye.